Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how to prepare peanut chikki at home, which is great, delicious source of nutrients and minerals. So the main ingredients for preparation of peanut chikki is 1 full bowl of fried peanuts and peel should be removed as shown in the video, and 3/4 bowl of jaggery. Now add jaggery to a pan and grease the butter paper with ghee and keep it aside. Add 2 spoons of water to a jaggery and then lid the stove. So you can stir it. You can keep on stir it till we get the exact consistency. So we can see the consistency by just putting 2-3 drops of jaggery in a cold water, and if it turns into a solid ball, hard ball, then the consistency is exact. So it wasn't. Again, let's check the consistency. So yeah, now it turned hard, so which means the consistency is exact now. Now you can add fried peanuts, and now you have to reduce the flame. So you have to stir it under low flame once the peanuts are added. So for 2 minutes just you can mix it well till the peanuts and jaggery are mixed well. And now you can transfer this peanut chikki to a butter paper once it's mixed well. Now let's transfer it. So now for getting this peanut chikki even, you can add one more butter paper on this where ghee is greased, and now you can roll this with the help of rolling pin, that is balan. So the surface will be even and evenly this peanut chikki will be occupied, and now we can give the desired shape according to our choice. So here I have cut this into square pieces with the help of knife, and you can transfer it to a plate after 5 minutes so that the chikki will be cooled down. That's it, homemade peanut chikki is ready to eat. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.